I'm Justin Bittner, and this is the Milwaukee 5-piece jigsaw blade set for wood cutting. This is a T-shank blade style. Let's go ahead and open this kit up. These Milwaukee wood cutting blades are 4 inches in length with 10 teeth per inch. It is of a T-shank design. It is made of a bimetal cutting material and manufactured in Switzerland. Here is the tooth pattern. That was the Milwaukee 5-piece jigsaw blade set for wood cutting. I'm Justin Bittner, and you can find me on YouTube on my channel Bittner Built for woodworking videos and tool reviews. And of course, SafetySourceSupply.com to buy your blade kit and all of your favorite name brand tools at incredible discounts. Stay safe in the shop, and I'll see you in the next video.